This is the Moto Z3 Play, which Motorola claims is not a smartphone but smartphone plus. Without further ado, let's get started. Now taking a look into the front of the phone, it is clear that it is not a bezel-less beauty, but has got narrow bezels and thinner top and bottom chins. Z3 Play has got a 6-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. As it comes with a Super AMOLED display, colors will come out very well. The display is 2.5D Gorilla Glass display. The device is just 6.7mm thick and has aluminum body. The device has a water repellent coating, making it water resistant. To the back, it has got a dual camera setup on a circular platform. I think this is for the camera modes, as it supports all the Moto modes. There is a LED flash below the camera setup, and below that we have the Motorola logo. Taking a look into the camera department, Z3 has got a 12+5 megapixel f1.7 dual camera setup that supports dual autofocus, color correlated temperature and zero shutter light. The camera setup is supported by Google Lens, so it has features like landmark and object recognition, real-time text translator, etc. It also supports 4K video recording at 30 fps. The front camera is a 8 megapixel f2.0 wide-angle 84-degree lens with screen flash. It can click wide-angle selfies and supports Face ID. The front shooter can also record 1080p videos at 30 fps. Now talking about the specifications, it has got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor with 1.8 GHz octa-core CPU and a 850 MHz Adreno 509 GPU. It comes with Android 8.1 audio out of the box. The top tier version has got 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB. One thing that makes Z3 Play stand apart is the Moto modes. It supports all the available Moto modes. With the Moto Power Pack, which is included in the package, you could get up to 40 combined hours of battery lives. You can put on the Moto stereo speakers to enjoy booming sound and reach bass anywhere. With the Moto modes, you can have a unique experience with handheld console, and with projector mode, you could watch videos in 70-inch projector screen. Z3 Play has got a 3000 mAh non-removable lithium-ion battery. Z3 Play comes with a 15-watt turbo-powered charger and USB Type-C connector. It also supports wireless charging, but with a separate Moto mode. Other features in Moto Z3 Play are 4G LTE, 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm jack port, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, etc. Considering all the features, specifications and the Moto Power Pack mode, I have to say it is a great device. When all the Android manufacturers are running behind the notch design, Motorola holds on to its conventional design and its compatibility with all the Moto modes, which makes it a modular device, making Moto Z3 Play stand out of the crowd. At a price point of $500 or 33,000 Indian rupees, it is a nice deal, but considering the fact that to enjoy all the features to the max potential, you have to separately buy all different Moto modes. And if you are a gamer, it is to be noted that Snapdragon 636 is a mid-range chip, so before making a final decision, devices like OnePlus 6 and Samsung Galaxy S8 is worth checking out. With that being said, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.